Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever stared at a stack of interior doors wondering how to get those hinges installed cleanly and consistently, it's one of those jobs that sounds simple until you're in the middle of it. Today, we're taking a close look at the Ryobi door hinge installation kit, a tool designed to take the guesswork and grind out of one of the most precise parts of door fitting. Priced at $47, it's positioned as a smart addition to your workshop, especially if you're handling multiple door installations. This isn't just a template, it's a system promising faster setup, repeatable accuracy, and professional results without the frustration of hand chiseling. I've been putting it to the test on a real-world renovation, and it's time to see if it lives up to the promise. Let's dive into what makes this kit worth considering, what it gets right, and where it could use a little improvement. Let me tell you, if you've ever spent hours chiseling out hinge mortises by hand, this Ryobi door hinge installation kit is going to feel like a game changer. I recently tackled a home renovation project involving 5 interior slab doors, and this tool saved me a ridiculous amount of time and effort. Before this, I'd route or chisel hinge pockets with mixed results, sometimes too deep, sometimes uneven, and it was always a tedious process. With this template, I was able to set it up quickly, clamp it in place, and use my router to create clean, precise mortises in a fraction of a time. The included router bit and self-centering drill guide are huge pluses. Not every kit comes with the essentials, but here they've clearly thought about what you'll actually need on site, and that attention to detail made a noticeable difference in my workflow. One of the things I appreciate most is how intuitive the setup is. Once you've located where your hinges need to go, using an old door as a reference or measuring from the top and bottom, it's simple to align the template and lock it in place. I used a pair of old doors as a guide for placement, and since the hinge positions were consistent, I was able to speed through each door without constantly remeasuring. The adjustability of the template gives you a decent range, though I will say I ran into a minor snag when one of the doors required a hinge placement closer to 3.5 inches from the edge. The slider mechanism struggled to reach that exact depth, which was a bit frustrating. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're working with non-standard door configurations or older homes where measurements aren't always uniform. From a build quality standpoint, this feels solid. The material is durable plastic with reinforced metal sections where it matters, like around the router guide bushing. It's lightweight, which makes it easy to handle and reposition, but it doesn't feel flimsy. I clamped it tightly to the door edge, and there was no flexing or shifting during routing. That's crucial. If the template moves, your mortise goes off-center, and suddenly you're sanding and filling, which defeats the whole purpose. I paired it with my mid-tier plunge router, and the cuts came out clean every time. Depth control is all on you with the router, but once you've test cut on a scrap piece, you'll be golden. I'd say even a weekend warrior with basic router experience can get professional-looking results with this setup. Now, the kit is advertised as including the latch installation tool, the A99LM2, but mine didn't come with it. I didn't realize until I was mid-project and double-checked the packaging. That was a letdown because having a dedicated jig for latch prep would have streamlined the entire door installation process. Since I didn't want to stop my workflow, I ended up using a standard drill and chisel for the latch recess, which worked but added extra time. I've heard mixed things about the latch tool. Some say it's helpful, others that it's not a must-have. So while its absence was annoying, it didn't ruin the project. Still, I'd recommend checking your package right away when it arrives so you don't get caught off guard like I did. Practicality-wise, this is the kind of tool that pays for itself in labor and time savings. I finished all 5 doors in under 2 days, with each hinge mortise taking maybe 10 minutes to set up and cut. That's a massive improvement over my previous method, which could take upward of 45 minutes per door when factoring in measurement chiseling, and fine-tuning. If you're doing multiple doors, whether in a remodel, new construction, or updating old hinges, this kit makes the job repeatable and accurate. I've used other jigs before that required multiple adjustments or felt finicky, but this one, once it's set, it's ready. You can practically do the job on autopilot after the second door. I will say, if you're new to using routing templates, take a few minutes to watch a tutorial. There are plenty on YouTube, and while some videos are better than others, they help you avoid common mistakes, like incorrect bit depth or misalignment. Seeing someone demo the clamping process and positioning on the door edge clarified a few things I initially misunderstood from the manual. The learning curve is shallow, but a quick visual guide smooths it out even further. And once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's one of those tools that doesn't do anything flashy, but it eliminates a painful step in the process. Overall, I confidently say this is one of the better door installation investments I've made. It's not perfect, the limited adjustment range and missing latch jig in some cases are valid drawbacks, but the core functionality is excellent. For $47, you're getting a well-designed, thoughtful tool that delivers consistent results. It's especially valuable if you already own a router, because then you're just adding an accessory that multiplies your tool's usefulness. Whether you're a contractor doing upgrades or a homeowner tackling a DIY project, this kit simplifies a traditionally messy, time-consuming task. Just double-check your package when it arrives, maybe watch a quick video first, and you'll be routing hinge mortises like a pro in no time. If you're tired of wrestling with chisels and guessing hinge placements, it's time to route a smarter path forward. Don't forget to like this video if it helps streamline your workflow, and subscribe for more honest, hands-on reviews that help you build better. Stay sharp, stay precise, and I'll see you in the next one.